In this video, you will learn how to make the most of your Toyota plug-in hybrid or PHEV. With the vehicle connected to power, use the MyToyota app to precondition the cabin before your trip. Your car always starts in EV. On the highway or uphill, switch to hybrid mode to save battery power for urban driving. Or simply select Auto EV HV and the car will pick the best mode. For a single pedal-like driving experience, try regeneration boost. Depress the accelerator to speed up and lift off to slow down. More than just comfort, this adds energy back into your battery. How did you drive today? Check your score in the MyToyota app and get personalised tips. Finally, don't forget to charge as often as possible to maximise your EV driving.